Do you know Elon Musk, the man who wants to take humanity to Mars, build amazing electric cars, and even put chips in our brains? But do you really know how this story began? Was it all easy? Stick with me until the end. Because today, I'm going to tell you everything about Elon Musk's success story. It all started in 1971 in South Africa. Elon was a shy kid, a nerd, and obsessed with books and technology. At just 12 years old, he created and sold his first video game. It was called Blaster. That's right, 12 years old. But not everything was easy. At school, he was bullied. He was even thrown down a staircase by his classmates. But that didn't stop him from dreaming. As a teenager, he decided he wanted to change the world. He moved to Canada, then to the US. He got into the University of Pennsylvania. And guess what? He rented an apartment just to study and throw parties. The parties paid the rent. Smart, right? In 1995, Elon created Zip2, kind of like Google Maps. Before Google even existed, he slept in the office, showered at the gym, and worked non-stop. Years later, he sold the company for $37 million. Elon got $22 million for his share. But instead of taking a break, he decided to go even bigger. He invested that money into a bold idea, online payments, and that turned into PayPal. In the beginning, nobody believed in it, except Elon, and it worked. Big time. eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. Elon walked away with $180 million. Now he could have stopped, right? But of course not. He founded SpaceX. He wanted to build rockets and take people into space. The first 3 rockets exploded. It looked like the end. He was almost broke. He had to choose: save SpaceX or Tesla. He chose both. He put all the money he had left into them. And then, on the very last rocket attempt, it worked. The rocket reached space. NASA invested $1.6 billion in SpaceX. Meanwhile, Tesla was also close to going bankrupt. Electric cars, back then, no one believed in them. But Elon did. Even when people laughed at him, he kept going. Today, Tesla is a giant. It changed the car industry around the world. But he didn't stop there. He created Solar City, solar energy, the Boring Company, underground tunnels, Neuralink, brain chips. And of course, he still wants to take us to Mars. Elon Musk's story teaches us one thing. It's not about being the smartest. It's about dreaming big and working hard to make it happen. He went through bullying, failures, explosions. But he never quit. Today, he's the richest man in the world. But more than that, he's a guy who's changing the world. Did you enjoy this amazing story about Elon Musk? Then smash the like button. Subscribe to HeyBit and turn on the bell for more videos about money, innovation, and inspiring stories. And tell me in the comments, which one of Elon's crazy ideas do you think is the most insane? See you next time.